Hi guys, David from RV Wholesalers with another Wish I Had Known. Today we're going to talk about when you buy an RV, how the warranty and the service work should be done. And it's something that very often kind of gets confused a little bit, right? Lost in translation, if you will. But let's say you buy a brand new unit and you need to get something repaired on it. When you bring it into a dealership, if you bring it into our dealership, for example, first thing we do is triage your unit. We go through, we take pictures of everything that's wrong. We write down notes. We also write down what the fix would be, what the time would be. We send that into the factory, which is what they require. The factory requires being able to see it and being able to know how you're going to fix it and how much you think it'll cost. At that point, then the factory will either approve or disprove the claim, right? Say, no, that isn't how you should fix it. You should fix it this way. Or they'll say, yeah, go ahead and fix it. Then we're allowed to order parts. So then the dealer is allowed to order parts for you if you need a parts replacement, that sort of thing as part of the repair. So we'd get the parts ordered. As soon as the parts come in, then you bring your unit back to us again, and then we go ahead and install those parts. We get you on your way. Of course, you should never pay for a warranty job at all. You should never be charged anything. If you are, you should contact the factory and let them know that the dealer's charging you. But again, the first thing is triage it. Second thing is turn in the factory for approval. Third thing is order the parts. Fourth thing is do the repairs. In between there, you should be able to pick up your unit and go use it if it's usable. If it's not usable and you buy it from RV Wholesalers, then we can get you a free loaner at no cost. Call it our Buckeye Service Guarantee. If you have any questions, give us a call at 877-877-4494. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page and follow us on Facebook.